Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, September 23rd, 2021. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. We have a cold front that is on the way. You can see it over east central Pennsylvania right now with very heavy rainfall. This front and the heavy rain associated with it is going to slowly approach our region. And while doing so, we're going to be dealing with scattered showers ahead of it and breezy conditions. Currently, right now, we have a stiff southeasterly wind around 10 to 15 miles per hour, at times gusting over 20 miles per hour, with a few widely scattered showers capable of a brief heavy downpour, and cloudy skies. Temperatures range from the upper 60s to lower 70s in the far northern interior, basically the Poconos and the Catskills. Everyone else is in the mid-70s, and it is a bit breezy out there. Now, you can see off to the west, temperatures really plummet into the 50s and 60s, so clearly we have a pretty strong cold front here with some very heavy rainfall and the potential here for some embedded thunderstorms. The thunderstorm threat is going to be a situation where the thunderstorms are going to be isolated, but they'll have the potential to become severe. And when I say severe, the primary threat here is going to be the very strong wind gusts over 60 miles per hour, and yeah, maybe an isolated tornado, especially in eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey, basically right around the Delaware River Valley. Key word here is isolated. Just be prepared. The primary threat from this entire situation is going to be the heavy rainfall, thus the flash flood watches over much of eastern Pennsylvania and northern New Jersey and the New York City metro. How much rain? Generally about 1 to 3 inches can be expected, a little bit less as you head further south and toward the east over Connecticut and Long Island, where you're going to be more like around ½ an inch to an inch and a half. Our wind pattern here is pretty much self-explanatory. Here's our high pressure system around the Canadian Maritime, sending a maritime air mass right into our neck of the woods, and here comes a cold front with a polar air mass, very impressive cold front marching its way through. And that is how you end up with this right here. Now, this low pressure system will lift due north with an upper level low, and that's going to slowly push this cold front to the east. The heaviest rainfall is going to be focused over eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey this afternoon and evening with some embedded thunderstorms. Then by the time we get to around midnight, let's say around after 10 p.m. on through 2 a.m., it's going to reach the New Jersey coast and the New York City metro and around the Hudson River Valley. And then for Connecticut and Long Island, that's where you're going to be dealing with the threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms reaching those areas. By tomorrow morning, everything starts to clear out, but we'll still be dealing with pesky showers through this weekend. You see that pretty much playing out pretty clearly here on the infrared satellite picture. There's our cold front, our high pressure system over the Atlantic, our upper level low over the Great Lakes, and we are caught in between. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, cold front slowly approaches with rain approaching the region. Again, the first area to get hit with some heavy rainfall and some strong to severe thunderstorms will be eastern Pennsylvania and western New Jersey. As this line pushes to the east, it will weaken, but still be aware of strong wind gusts. Look for high temperatures today ranging from the lower to mid-70s over the interior and upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for those winds to veer from the southeast of 10 to 20 miles per hour to the west of 10 to 15 miles per hour, with periods of heavy rainfall, especially along the coast. Look for low temperatures ranging from the upper 40s to mid-50s over the Poconos and Catskills to the upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. That is a strong cold front. By the time we get to tomorrow afternoon, we start to end up with more widely scattered showers, primarily focused along the coast and over New England. As you head towards the interior, the showers become more isolated in nature. Look for high temperatures throughout the region in the lower to mid-60s. For Saturday, improving conditions. We still have that stationary front, so we'll still have to watch out for an isolated to widely scattered shower, especially along the coast. But for the most part, a mix of sun and clouds. Winds from the west around 5 to 15 miles per hour, with lows ranging from the lower to mid-50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s. For Sunday, a cold front moves through with a few isolated showers, but the big story here will be the winds. Winds from the west around 10 to 15 miles per hour, at times gusting over 20 miles per hour. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid 60s to lower 70s. On Monday, high pressure will be in place with clear skies, tranquil conditions. Lows in the lower to mid 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 70s. On Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, a series of cold fronts will move through with some isolated to widely scattered showers. And then we'll see a slow step down in our temperatures throughout the region. On Tuesday, look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. On Wednesday, look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s in the Delaware River Valley, and upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 60s over the interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. And then on Thursday, look for low temperatures in the mid 40s to lower 50s over the interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, and mid to upper 60s along the coast. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.